HP's Omen 15 is a Max-Q gaming laptop powerhouse with exceptional qualities. For $1,769, starting at $979, you get strong performance, a colorful 15.6-inch, 144Hz display, a comfortable keyboard and those famous Bang & Olufsen speakers, all wrapped in a stylish design. While these features make for an overall awesome gaming laptop, I found some flaws. These include a sluggish SSD and below average battery life. Overall, though, the Omen 15 is a winner. HP sent us the $1,769 model of the Omen 15, which comes with an Intel Core i7-8750H processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Max-Q GPU with 8GB of VRAM, 16GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, a 2TB 5400 revolutions per minute HDD, a 4-zone backlit keyboard and a 1080p, 144Hz display. The starting price for the Omen 15 is $979, which gets you a Core i5-8300H CPU, a GTX 1050Ti with 4GB of VRAM, 8GB of RAM, a 128GB SSD, a 1TB 7200 revolutions per minute HDD, a 2-zone backlit keyboard and a 1080p 60Hz screen. The mid-tier version runs for $1,299, which comes outfitted with an Intel Core i7-8750H processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 GPU with 6GB of VRAM, 16GB of RAM, a 128GB SSD, a 1TB 7200 revolutions per minute HDD, a 4-zone backlit keyboard and a 1080p, 60Hz panel. Each configuration also comes with the option for a 4K panel, which jumps the price an extra $170 from the base model.